I'm going to try to do as much as I can on the car today because I'm going to be extremely busy on Tuesday with real life endeavors. This video might suck a little because I won't be able to do much in it. So, taking out the front clip, the doors, like all the others, and I want to try to get this set up for this weekend for the engine and transmission to be pulled. And we'll dive right into it to see how bad everything is. Because even when I messed with it again, it's still seized. And yeah, there'll be some stuff off of this that's savable off of that engine, but nothing too much. Just yeah. I also got to gauge test a lot of stuff off of this car. And you know, if we need extra sheet metal, because the parts car is over there for a lot of the extra goodies and everything. I also need to take off this trunk lid because it's starting to get bent down right there. Even though that'd be an easy fix. Just kind of pop it up. There we go. Yeah, because this structure back here, oh, you stupid sand nets. I clean stuff out right here. Get a lot of this gunk out. So, all in all, I'm going to try to take the back bumper off too, but not going to hold my breath because I may actually have to use a saw to cut some stuff off. As how this was sitting in that dirt hole for over, I don't know, 30 something years. Because with the dirt, you know, being up on each side of the fender and everything going on down in, yeah, this is going to be a very rough car to fix. But worth it. Let's see if this fender can be kind of savable. You know, fix up some stuff here and there, but I think if I can, you know, fix that spot with some sheet metal, I'll probably reinforce this right here a little bit. But this fender right here, though, I could try to save it, but it's not gonna hold my breath on anything. So, with further ado, I'm gonna plop the tools over here and try to get as much as I can off. And I think I might actually take the doors off very first because that'll be pretty much easy to do. I'm just set them over there right by the boat. So yeah, another thing nice about this car too, it's got a factory booster, but I don't know if that thing's gonna be good or not. And plus I think it's just gonna be disc brakes in the front and drums in the back. I think that's what's gonna be with all of our stuff, but have to find out, see what happens. Ooh, better not grab it there. It's a little odd grabbing since this spot right here is kind of messed up. Trying so hard not to warp that post either. There we go. Kind of chunky. Heavier than the 58. Ugh. That's a mouse nest and a half. It's a good thing that the door hinges on the sedan fit over with this. Because those actually don't look healthy. They don't look healthy at all. But this is the X code for 352. Oh. Man. Guess I'll carefully lay it down right here for the time being. Yeah, let me take a glove off and get you guys off the stand here. Or at least both gloves. And I'll hide the VIN because you're not supposed to show your VIN numbers online because people can actually get crafty and try to take your car. Alright. Yeah. The holes just need to be freshened up. Still feels pretty solid. Pretty darn solid. a mouse nest. I lost 3 bolts in there. That stuff that's to the back. So I'll take the other door off and just kind of go from there. But all in all, we're not going to save that door, I don't think, because it's actually worse than what we thought. Because not sure what really happened to it, other than just being hit, I suppose, of something. But this entire door, as soon as I get it open here, there we go. But this entire door is really no good. It's just for parts. So, but I'll take it off and put it over there. I want to at least get this cleaned out and start getting it ready to take the body off. So I got my gauge tester and see what kind of gauge of sheet metal this is. So then after this is off, then I'll try to get the front clip off as best as I can today, because I'm doing real life stuff on Tuesday. So yeah, well, I better stop gabbing and get her off. Yeah, so this door is kind of fried. There's some savable stuff off of it. Oh, you actually want to... All right. Door's not savable by any means. We'll have to get a door off of another hardtop. So, and sedans don't work, people. Someone was trying to tell us that sedans don't work. That's way too big. Sedans are a little different. So we'll have to hunt around for a brand new door. I'll gut that and see if all the goodies back. So there is light damage here. Right here. I gotta watch it. I want to leave those bolts in there for the time being, because there's a massive yellow jacket nest in there. I already sprayed it with WD-40, but I'm not gonna mess on this side too much further. So I'll probably come back, oh, I don't know, a couple hours and let that kind of soak in there, so that way I can get this side loosened up. But I'm also prepared to start grinding bolts too, how rusty everything is. But yeah, it's want to at least get the wheels on this and placed over there, but I got to clear stuff over there and move the cab over by our father's highboy. So yeah, there's some damage there to that post, but it's easily fixable. But once I get this fender off, I'll see what the damage is, and hopefully I don't irritate any more yellow jackets, because I've been battling them, oh gosh, I don't know, maybe for 20 minutes, and probably squash at least 14, 15. So yeah, I'll go ahead and start working on the front clip, starting with the stupid bumper, and I guess just see what happens in honesty. Again, this video may not be too much, because this is supposed to be the last hot day today and tomorrow, and it's supposed to start cooling down. I wish we actually had the rain weather again, but oh well. Now I'll see how pain in the rear this is going to be to take off. Well, those bumper bolts are not coming off on both sides. I've tried heat treatment. You can see right there's the bottle. I've heated and heated and heated and let it set and heated again. And they're rusted solid. Bumper's no good anyways, as it's bent, rusted, pitted. It's got a lot of holes in it. So I guess Thursday, I'm not gonna even, I can actually probably just take my day off for a work day on Wednesday and work on this. I guess I'm gonna have to grind the chrome bumper bolts off, and I got a lot to do. I kind of want to save this bumper back anyways, so that way I can get the signal light housings out. I also got to take those amber lights out, because those are actually rare for 61, because I normally have whites, but those are amber, both of them. So I've tried other bolts too on this. A lot of stuff is solid, rusted, and I mean it's just like rock hard. Heat treatment on that stuff too, and it's just, yeah. So I have to get the grinder on a lot of stuff. Grinder underneath, grinder on the sides, grind this, grind that. It's going to be a grinding job. So I guess I'll take my day off on Wednesday and turn it into a partial work day and then work on this. I also want to get that license plate off because that's a 72. Last license plate in 72, and those are kind of hard to come by. We collect them. Those will be for Tucker. So I'll leave her exposed. I'll take off a few more odds and ends. I guess I'll darn biting fly. Start taking stuff out of it, put things elsewhere, and yeah, it's just kind of frustrating. But you know, I expected it. She's really rusted. All those bolts that underneath there, they're solid. So I'll just grind and pull it off and go from there. Yeah. Not much else to really say. I'm just gonna have to, you know, just grind these things. Darn you. I have to grind all of those off. There's like, I don't know how many. I don't know. I'm not gonna count. I'll just get to it. So now I guess I'll just empty this out, put it in another car for the time being, and man, I guess I'll try to get the seat out once I empty this. Yeah, I really should take the trunk lid off first for anything else. By the way, there's another one for sale for $4,000 up in South Dakota. Clear up in South Dakota, but we don't have the money to grab it, nor the fuel. Well, we kind of do have the money to go up, but sadly don't have the money to buy a Starliner. So yeah, I'll just go ahead and take this off. Save everything, you know, the hinges for whenever it was going on back here, because since it was starting to hit right there, simple boo-boo to fix, but yeah. But anyways, I guess I better get the garden tractor over here and the trailer so that way I'm not packing things around constantly. Yeah. So I'll just leave the grinding job to Wednesday's me, I suppose. Kind of figured as much. I'll clean out what I can. The seat bolts are wanting to strip, so I'm going to have to grind those. How lovely. So I'm going to have to grind stuff underneath, grind the bumper head bolts. I'm going to have to do the same for the back. Yeah. Gonna be a lot of grinding. I'll use my half a day on Wednesday to come out and work on this. I can get back ahead of schedule a little bit, because I want to work on this car the entire week, so that way when Tucker's home this Saturday, you just, you know, hook it up to the pulley over there and just yank it out. But we'll see on what happens. I'll label this as a part 1 video. Again, sorry, not much can get done on this car because real life is in the way tomorrow on Tuesday, so I can't work on this. But alrighty, I guess I'll catch you all later. So y'all have a good one now. Take care and stay safe. See you later, and thanks again for the support. Yeah, we got to. Could be worse. Could be worse. Okay. With this trailer, who knows anymore?